Hi, first grade. So today is Tuesday and we are going to review how we can add. And there are two things that we can use that really help us to add, and that is our hundreds chart and what I like to call set it up. So today we're going to learn both of those methods and just kind of review. You've already done this in your classes, so that you should be like, oh, I already know this, I'm a master. So let's see if you remember. So parents, what I'm going to be doing is I will put a PDF or a link to a worksheet in the description of the video. If your child would like to follow along with that, they can. However, they could also just write their problems on a piece of paper or just listen. So there's a couple different choices of how you want your child to learn with this video, but I hope that you do find it helpful. And I will be following a worksheet. So I'll be following along with them if they have the worksheet printed out. And if not, they can just write it on a piece of paper. So I hope this is easy and makes sense for everybody, and I'm excited to get started. All right, we are going to start with our hundreds chart. So you can count on to add on a hundreds chart. So what I'm doing right now is trying to find the tool to be able to mark up my hundreds chart so that I can circle the numbers I need and move right up, down when I need to. So I'm going to start at the number 21. I'm going to find 21 and I'm going to circle it on my hundreds chart. Then I'm going to move right to count on 3 ones. So count with me, 22, 23, 24. So that means that 21 plus 3 equals 24. Awesome job. Okay, now we're going to go to the next one. So it says to start at the number 68. So I'm going to circle 68 and move down to count on 3 tens. 78, 88, 98. So that means that 68 plus 30 equals 98. Awesome. You are so ready to move on, so let's do it. We're going to get started with the first problem on the worksheet. So you see on your worksheet 46 plus 2. So we can use our hundreds chart. So what number would we want to start at? What is our starting number? 46. Yes, so our starting number that we want to look for on the hundreds chart is our number 46. Now, here's the big question. When we want to add 2, do we go to the right? Do we go to the left? Do we go up and down? Which way do we go? We go right. Correct. So you find 46 on your hundreds chart, you jump 2 spaces to the right. And with that, you should get the number 48. Okay? You can even think in your head. You can add on. So you already know that you're starting with the number 46. So what you can do is you can say 46, and you're going to count 2 more. 46, 47, 48. Same answer. Okay? So that is using our 100s chart to use our set it up method where you put the numbers on top of each other. Okay, so you want to make sure, this is super important, to make sure that your ones place are in line with each other. You don't want your 2 all the way over here. That would not help. Okay, so you want your ones place to be in line with each other. So we can add 6 plus 2, which if we know in our head is 8. Okay, and look, is there anything in the tens place down here? No, so there's nothing to add. So it's like saying 4 plus nothing. 4 plus nothing is 4. 48. So we got the same answer here and the same answer here. It's the exact same problem, just done in 2 different ways. Okay, our next problem on our sheet is 63 plus 3. Well, I'm going to use my favorite way, but we can have different favorite ways on how to add. Okay, so my favorite is the set it up way, where I put my ones place on top of each other and my tens place. But in this case, there's no tens place in this number. Okay, so this is my favorite way. So if you want to use your hundreds chart, I'm going to give you a second to use your hundreds chart. We're going to add this together, and then we're going to both reveal our answers and see if we both got the same answer. So let's see. So I'm going to figure out mine. You figure out yours. If you need to pause the video, you can. Do you got it? Do you have it yet? I have my answer. Okay, are we ready to share? If not, pause the video, but I'm about to turn my board around. Whoop. Okay. I got 66. Did you get that too? I knew that 3 plus 3, using my doubles fact, 3 plus 3 is 6. So I brought my 6 down. 6 plus nothing is 6. So my answer is 66. Did you get the same answer? Good job. Okay, so now we're going to be counting on by tens. So we have the problem 52 plus 30. So what are we going to do? Okay, so we can see that this number here does not have a ones place. Well, it does, but it's 0, right? And our tens place is a 3. So there are 3 tens in this number. So that is how we know that we are counting on by tens, because we're counting on by the tens. There's nothing in the ones. We're counting on by tens. Okay, so that's how we know that we are going to start with the other number. Okay, so we are going to start with the number 52 on our hundreds chart. Okay, so we see the number 52 and we are going to count by tens, which means it's a little bit different, which means we're going to go down our hundreds chart, straight down from 52. And we are going to go down our hundreds chart 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Good job. Okay, so to go down our hundreds chart 3 times, we start at the number, we start at the number 52. Okay. What number is down below 52? 62. Then what? 72. Then one more. 82. Ooh. Hard to see that last one, okay? So, again, we started at 52, right? We're going to go down 3 times. That's how many times it tells us to. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, and we reach the number 82. So our answer to 52 plus 30 is, if I can get this cap off. Hold on. Okay, here we go. 52 plus 30 is 82. 82. Is your favorite method using the hundreds chart? Is your favorite method using the set it up? Your choice, okay? Problem is 23 plus 40. Okay, I'm gonna use my favorite way of set it up, okay, and you're gonna use your favorite way. I'm gonna turn my board around and figure out the answer and then turn it around when I'm done. Be sure to pause the video if you need to. I have my answer. Do you? Okay, not yet. Wait, you do? Okay. I think you're ready. Okay, and if not, pause the video. But 23 plus 40 equals 63. Did you get that answer too? Man, you are one smarty. Man, that is amazing. It really is. Okay, because we both knew that 3 plus 0 is 3. And we both knew that 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, super simple. You guys are rocking it. All right. Now we're going to go on to the next page. So the next page says to use the hundreds chart to add and to color the sum. But again, if you want to use the set it up method, use it. But if you want to use the hundreds chart, use it. Okay, so it's your choice what you would like to use. Okay, but I want you to complete number 1 through 8. Okay, so that is what you are supposed to be doing after the video ends. Okay, and then look at the bottom, it has a writing that you need to do, and it says explain 2 ways to use the hundreds chart to find a sum of 95. Okay, so if you have your worksheet with you, you can write your answer. If you don't, then tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, tell anybody that's at your house the answer to that question. 2 ways that you can use a hundreds chart, okay, so just the hundreds chart, to find a sum of 95. Do you think you can do it? I know you can. All right, I will see you back here tomorrow. We'll see what we're gonna learn tomorrow. It's gonna be different than today. Each day will be a little bit different, and each day we're gonna review, and then maybe next week we'll learn something brand new. Oh, that'd be crazy. All right, happy St. Patrick's Day. I miss you all so much, and hopefully we get to be back together soon. Bye.